I know someone in Australia, he has an inoculation that works for almost anything.
Poznam nekoga v Avstraliji, ki ima inokulat. What's the name of inoculation?
It's like an injection to cause you to make antibodies to something.
Torej, ima nek vbrizg, ki lahko naredi karkoli.
Protistrup.
Antidote.
It's where the body makes antibodies. It fights a particular
Cepivo.
Ja.
Kakor cepivo bolj.
Part of the beginning stage of the process is growing calcium crystals that look like a sheaf of wheat. Same structure.
In začetek tega procesa je to, da vzgaja kristale kalcija, ki izgledajo tako kot žito.
It's illegal to test it medically because it has no therapeutic index.
Prepovedano je to testirati v medicini, kajti nima nobenega terapevtskega indeksa.
The therapeutic index is the dosage which will kill 50% of people divided by the dosage which will cure 50%.
Terapevtski indeks je mera, ki bo ubila 50% ljudi, deljena z mero, ki bo pozdravila 50% ljudi.
So would be considered the therapeutic index of 1 would be perfect for AIDS. You kill half the patients, cure half the patients. That would be an improvement.
Na primer, terapevtski indeks števila 1 bi bilo odlično za AIDS. Pol ljudi bi pobili, pol ljudi bi pozdravili.
So this doesn't have a dosage which kills people.
No, če to nima nekega odmerka, ki bi pobilo ljudi,
So there's no legal way to test it.
potem ni nobenega pravnega načina, kako bi to lahko testirali.
But maybe it talks to the wheat people.
No, morda pa govori z ljudmi žita.
Yeah, it's like under the microscope, it's just millions of wheat grains of calcium.
Pod mikroskopom je to samo na milijone klasi žita.
And within 2 hours, the person starts healing from things like golden staph. It's like a very antibiotic-resistant infection that normally you catch from hospitals.
Mirsa. Torej, že po 1-2 urah večina ljudi začne ozdraveti tudi za kompliciranim bolenji, kot je mirsa.
So, I mean, that's just an illustration of how intelligent is a grain of wheat.
To je na primer samo ilustracija, kako zelo inteligentno je zrno žita.
Certainly intelligent enough to grow more grains of wheat.
Vsekakor je dovolj inteligentno, da vzgoji da mu izraste še več zrn žita.
But that form is somehow being used by this calcium crystal.
In ta oblika je nekako uporabljena strani tega kristala kalcija.
So what abilities of plant structures have a teaching for a person's body?
Torej, kakšne sposobnosti raznih struktur rastlinja imajo učenja za telo človeka?
That may be a teaching or at least a metaphor the body can use.
Morda neko učenje ali vsaj neko metaforo, ki jo telo lahko uporabi.
Yeah, so we can have a value here in which plant qualities.
Tako tukaj imamo lahko ocenjevanje, katere rastline imajo, katere kvalitete.
Show your client's body, how to heal.
Katere rastline bojo pokazale telesu vašega klienta, kako ozdraveti.
Trees that blow in the wind and remain back to their center. Maybe quite a powerful teaching.
Na primer drevesa, na katere piha veter in se upognejo in potem se postavijo nazaj v svoj center. To ima verjetno zelo močno učenje.